Hello everyone, how are you? I hope that you are all fine today. This is Mrs. Razada from Science Team at New Generation Language School. So today we'll start to make a revision about lesson 3 on unit 1 and lesson 1 on unit 2. So let's start. Question number 1. Complete. Friction turns kinetic energy into heat or thermal energy. Number 2. By increasing the particles of moving, the temperature increases. Number 3. Heat energy is transferred from object with higher temperature to another object with lower temperature. Number 4. Temperature is directly proportional to the kinetic energy of particles. Number 5. Heat is transferred in 3 methods, which are conduction, convection, and finally radiation. Number B. Problem. Calculate the mass of a body whose kinetic energy is 64 joules and its speed is 4 meters per second. So the kinetic energy equal half mass v square. After that, write the scientific term. It is the ability to do work or make a change. It's an energy. The inactive gas that has 2 electrons in the outermost energy level, helium. The pollution produced from webs of wireless transmitters of cellular phone, so it's electromagnetic pollution. Number 4 is the number of positive protons in the nucleus, so it's atomic number. And finally, give reason. The atom is electrically neutral because the number of positive protons equals the number of negative electrons. And about model 2, heat is transferred through gases by convection and radiation. Number 2, the heat of the sun reaches us by radiation, while the heat of electric heater reaches us by convection. Number 3, the changes of energy in the pendulum is similar to those occur in swings. Space is from the clean source of energy, so it's movement of air or wind or movement of water or the sun. Problem. Calculate the potential energy of the body whose mass is 5 kg and its height is 10 meter and the acceleration due to gravity equal 10 meter per second square. So after that, first we will get the weight. So weight equal mass times acceleration due to gravity, so it's 50. And after that we will get the potential energy equal weight times height, so it's 10 times 50 equal 500 joule. After that, write the scientific term. Ability to do work or make a change energy. Heat conduction, which determines the direction of heat energy, whether from or to the object when it comes in contact with another, so it's temperature. Number 3, the transfers of heat through some solid substances or some solid objects from the part with higher temperature to that with lower temperature, so it's conduction. Number 4, the number of positive protons in the nucleus, so it's atomic number. And finally, the same answer. Model 3. Friction turns kinetic energy into heat energy. By increasing the particles of movement, temperature increases. The space and heat energies are from forms of energy, so it's maybe sound, light, kinetic, potential, anything. Number 4, we obtain energy from electric lamps. We obtain the light energy from electric lamps and heat energy from the oven. The energy stored in the food is chemical energy, while that is produced from the solar cell is electrical energy. Number 6, the symbol of the second energy level is L, while that of the fourth one is N. As we go farther from the nucleus, the energy of levels decreases. Number 8, the energy level that has the highest energy is Q, while K level has the lowest energy, so it's gain or lose a quantum. Number 9, when an electron near the nucleus moves to a higher energy level, it decreases. Or sorry, it gains of energy, and the atom becomes excited atoms. Number 10, the number of space in the nucleus of the atom is often equal to the greater number of protons and neutrons. 11, noble gases have 8 electrons in the outermost energy level except helium. The changes of energy is in the pendulum are similar to those occur in swings. Number 13, space is a form of clean source, so it's sun. Butterfall's speed is the ability to do work or make a change. False, a bar of chocolate has no energy. False, chemical energy can be produced from oil heater produced, so it's false. Height of the object equal object's mass times the Earth's gravity acceleration. False. Potential energy of an object decreases by increasing its height. False. And finally, choose the correct answer. The symbol of copper is Cu, the symbol of nitrogen N, and Pp is symbol of lead and silver, the symbol of Ag. And number 5, the atom nucleus contains protons, neutrons, and electrons. And finally, space are neutral. Particles exist in nucleus, so it's neutrons. And thank you so much, and see you later. Goodbye.